चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
We have some breaking news coming in. The second ACMM Special Court for Representatives has pronounced 14 days judicial custody for sexual assault and rape accused suspended JDS leader Prajwal Revanna, and that's the big update. There's no relief coming in for Prajwal Revanna in the sex tape scandal. Now, the custody has been extended for 14 more days, and my colleague Prajwal Prasad is joining us live on the broadcast for more. Prajwal, more trouble. There's more trouble brewing for Prajwal Revanna. Tell us the details, please.
This is in fact the 42nd ACMM court which has now gone ahead and sent him into custody as well, because he was presented before the People's Magistrate Court after the special investigation team's custody of 6 days had ended as well, because they have been meticulously going through this particular investigation pertaining to 2 cases which had been registered against Prajwal Revanna, one in Hassan in Hole Narsipura as well, which was registered on the 28th of April, and yet another case which was registered on the 3rd of May at the CID office as well, and this was a rape case, and the earlier case was that of a sexual assault too. So considering the fact that both of it has already been done as well, now he's being sent into judicial custody is what we get to understand, and the special investigation team will again take him into custody only if the need arises as well, because at this point of time they're also focusing on the kidnap case as well, which has been registered at the KR Nagar police station against his
ಅವರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಒಳಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ಆ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ರೇಣುಕಾ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ.
This is the Home Minister of Karnataka, Dr. G. Parmeshwara, speaking about the Renuka Swamy murder case.
ಅವರ ಮನವಿ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು
The parents of Renuka Swamy have approached the Home Minister, and they have submitted a memorandum to him stating that they seek justice for their son, and the probe should be conducted in an impartial manner.
ನಾನು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪುಗಳಾಗ
I've also brought this.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ
We are conducting investigation and are working to make sure that the victim as well as his parents and his wife get justice.
ಜನ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದನ್ನು
Nobody should politicize this incident.
ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದು ಈ ಘಟನೆ ನಡೀಬಾರದಿತ್ತು, ನಡೆದು ಹೋಗಿ
We have seen that various political parties have reacted on this, but it should not be politicized.
ಸಲ್ಲದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ರಾಜಕೀಯದ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನದಿಂದ ನೋಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಕಾನೂನಿದೆ, ಕಾನೂನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ.
If everything is seen from a political angle,
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
then the case in itself will be lost.
ಸರ್, ಕುಟುಂಬಸ್ಥರು ಮೊದಲು CBI ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ರಹಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ